I'm literally feeling sleepy right now. And it's my day 8 by the way, but it's for reflection part, not for practicing. So yeah, whatever I did in my week 1, I just need to share with you, whether it's improvements or the area of improvements or the problems I was facing till now. Now, here are the 5 major problems I was facing, even I'm still facing. So, here are they are 5 things I wrote down in my notepad. So, first one is that I noticed many times that there is not that much clarity in my words. Whenever I try to speak, most of the time I sound something different, like I spoke something else and it sounds something else. For an example, I watched this video today. Now here use I used to tell I watched, like WATCH watch and ED past tense, but it sounds like I watch. Means clarity is not there in my words, so I need to work on it. Even this problem I noticed in my general talks as well, whether in Hindi. It's my area of improvement. Now the second major thing is, like, I have given to myself the leniency that okay, it's okay if I am not able to say the things on the same time, so I can take multiple cuts and pauses, but I need to work on it. Because of this, many problems are creating. First one is my time. I have to give a lot of time to taking lots of cuts and repeating sentence over and again. It's too frustrating and overwhelming sometimes, because it increases the time of my editing as well. So for my next weeks, this is gonna be priority of my upcoming days. Now the third area of improvement or the problem I am still facing, that sometimes what happens, somewhere I try to modulate my voice by slowing down the pace or the pitch, or or to high the volume, but sometimes, even most of the times, I am taking very less pauses. I try to speak 3 4 sentences all together and it sounds rushed, and like you are nervous and you want to just finish fast, so it shows your underconfidence. So I need to work on it as well, because it's also very bad thing. Now the fourth mistake is, which is related with the second one, that because of recording multiple times, taking a lot of cuts and pauses, I need to give this much time to editing and creating and finalizing the video, by which I uploads video at very late time. I need to fix my schedule. As per that, I should record my videos in just a one or max to max the second take only, not more than that. I will work on my this thing. I can resolve my two problems together. Now the last one, fifth problem. Now this one is in my practice, not in my speaking style or my other aspects. Means generally if I see that I completed my each and every task for each day, but at the end of the day, means before going to bed, I must have to write down the journaling towards my practice, that okay, actually what improvement I made today, what was the biggest task for me, or where I improved a lot. Like this, I need to do journaling for each and every day, because this will help me at the end of the week to analyze my reflection part. Yeah, so from next week I'm gonna do this one as well. So yeah guys, these were my 5 area of improvement that I'm gonna work for my upcoming days. Okay, now let's talk about my improvements. Of course, if I talk about my improvements, then they are very basic. You knew already that yes, I am improving my pronunciation, my insights, of course, like I'm getting the knowledge, lot of knowledge by watching the informative videos, and I'm getting familiar with the native accent, and it improves my confidence as well. And I'm learning some new grammar rules or new vocabs or phrases. So these are the basic I can say the improvements I'm always getting if I will follow these steps. Okay, so yeah, that was all about my reflection part of the week 1. Now let's see, will I be able to do the things as per I wrote today for my next week or not. Thank you, bye bye, see you tomorrow for day 8. It was just reflection, it will not count in my day 8. Thank you, bye bye.